Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see Karon Beach from Phuket Island. Karon Beach is 3.5 kilometers long stretched beach. It's longer than Kata Beach. Karon Beach is very nearby to Kata Beach, just 15 minutes enough to reach in between these. Karon Beach is divided into 4 different areas, mainly for pubs and bars. Karon Beach is also a nice place for visitors to swim and relax with family. The Karon Beach is not busiest place like Patong, so it's best place for family and everyone to relax. Many water sports activities are happening here, starts from parasailing, jet ski, and many others. The sunset view is beautiful in this beach as well. Overall, it's a nice beach to relax at evening. Hope you like the video and the information is provided. Kindly do the like, share, comment and subscribe for more good videos. Thank you for watching Kanaulagam Travel Guide.